N.E.T.R is Greater Boston's leading home service company. Help is on the way to your home. Here's what you can expect from N.E.T.R. We'll arrive with foot coverings and floor protection to keep your home clean. During our visit, we'll review the reason for your call. You can ask any questions you may have, and we'll ask a few of our own too. Next, we'll conduct a thorough evaluation of your entire system. Once that's completed, we'll review our findings, including possible recommendations and enhancements to make your system operate even better. Upon your approval, we'll complete our work. We have thousands of parts on our trucks, so most repairs and even system enhancements can be completed in one visit. N.E.T.R has been providing 5-star home comfort since 1989. We're looking forward to meeting you and getting started on your project. If you have any questions before our visit, please call 781-428-4132.